Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about different things generally on Kegel exercise. You are going to learn step by step how to genuinely perform Kegel exercise. So welcome to Dr. Richard Official. Kegel actually are simple but powerful. They strengthen the pelvic floor muscles which support the bladder, uterus and the rectum. They help the bladder control recovery after birth and after childbirth, and even improve confidence and intimacy, but the key is doing them correctly. So stick with us in this short video, and we are going to learn how to genuinely perform Kegel exercise.
Subscribe.
So let's go step by step. The step number 1, you need to find the right muscles. The easiest way is to imagine you are trying to stop yourself from passing a gas, and that gentle lift and squeeze inside, that's your pelvic floor. So don't practice by stopping urine midway. Just try it once to know the feeling. I'm sorry. Step 2, you need to set up properly. Actually, before performing the Kegel exercise, you need to empty your bladder. You need to lie down on your back with knees bent. It's easier at the beginning. Then later you can progress to sitting or standing, and then it helps to keep your body relaxed. There is no squeezing of thighs and buttock and the stomach. You just need to feel a bit relaxed. Step 3, you need to coordinate with your breathing. So when you inhale, you need to relax your belly and your pelvic floor. And then when you exhale, gently squeeze and lift the pelvic floor like you are picking something up inside. Then the step 4, you need to do the exercises. There is slow holds and the quick freaks. So the slow holds, you need to squeeze and hold for 3 to 5 seconds at the beginning, then relax for some time, and do this 10 times, at least 10 times. As you get stronger, you should aim between 8 and 10 seconds holds. And then quick fix. You need to do 10 fast squeeze and release contractions, and they are great for controlling sudden leaks when you cough or sneeze. Step 5, you need to practice daily. You need to make this as a habit. Repeat this routine for 3 times a day, morning, midday and evening. Expect improvement within 6 to 12 weeks. After that, keep going at least with 1 set daily to maintain the strength. Here is a quick reminder. Actually, you should feel a gentle lift upwards, not a push downwards. Keep breathing. Don't hold your breath. Full relaxation between squeezes is just as important as the squeeze itself. And I need to give you a tip also. Once you get used to it, practice Kegel during daily activities, like while waiting at a red light or before lifting something heavy. This is called a knack. Pre-contracting before cough or sneeze or lift to protect your pelvic floor. And that's how you do a genuine Kegel exercise the right way. So if you found this helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Dr. Richard Official for more women's health tips backed by science. We believe that a healthy woman is a secure nation. In our language we say umugore mwiza cyangwa se umugore muzima igihugu gitekanye. Thank you for watching. See you next time.
Ushaka amakuru yizewe y'ubuzima ujya kuri Dr. Richard Official.